Alright, bleeding the master on the car. Wick's in there working the pedal nice and slow. I always bleed them on the car, whether it has bleeders or not. It's just so much easier than trying to do it with a flat head on a workbench. Ah, damn it. Alright, we're bleeding. Wick's topping off. But we are here. We're gonna bleed it. Alright. Bleeding. Lots of air. Wick, how is it up there? Gotcha. It's gonna take a while. Alright, so we've bled the rears. We used the compressed air powered vac first. Then we come in and did a few by foot, I guess you could say.
Manual.
Yeah, manual way.
Manual action.
Wick powered.
Yeah.
To verify. So our rears are done. We'll probably come back and do one more round of manual just to, while air settles out.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
That's what I always do anyway.
Yeah, once we get them all done, now we know we got all the air out. And just kind of run back through the whole thing.
Yep, give it once over.
One more time.
But it's coming along good now. So onto the front. Pretty Willwoods. Alright, so over here on the left front, and we were wiping up, and we feel like we're getting a lot of air. And of course, we cleaned up a drip, and then the drip is back.
There he goes.
And Wick says, "Let me get my headlamp."
It's coming out of the lid.
Is the lid not centered?
Is that a crack? I think there's a crack in it.
Oh my god, if this thing has a cracked master, you need to call Summit
Take a look at this.
and go.
Does it look like a crack to you, or is that just a...
Oh shit, I looked, I got right in front. Oh fuck, oh, at least that's closed. It's a lot of our videos. Oh shit, oh fuck. Oh shit, oh fuck. Oh shit, oh fuck.
It looks like it's coming from the lid.
The lid's wet right here, look.
Mm-hmm.
Is it seeping through? Yeah, look.
That makes no sense.
That is pretty fucking shit-tastic.
You know, I did not have... This one's all the way on now. I just had it pushed on there kind of tight. So maybe we just... Latch it, dry everything up, and see what we got.
Pray for the best.
Yeah, because it's either got a crack or a pinhole or something in the cast. It does look like it's dripping down from this gasket, though.
Extreme close-up cam of Wick's hand.
Yeah.
Here.
Just keep all that dry back there, too, because it...
If this thing has a crack or a pinhole, I'm gonna be so pissed that we have to do all this shit over again.
Yeah. You're not the only one.
Yeah, Wick's gonna rip someone a new one.
Alright, it's a little dry now.
Be a
Sort of.
fly on the wall during that phone call. Got all our brakes bled. We went and had to re-shim front calipers. Don't always refer to this on center to your rotor. You need to always verify that you have the same amount between the caliper and the back of the pad on both sides all the way. So we've bled all of them. Pedal feels nice and firm. After lunch we're going to come back and give them a quick once over. We're gonna let Wick's leg recover.
Yeah, that's good.
You've had leg day today.
I have. Yeah. You see, does it look bigger?
Maybe. I don't know.
It's hard with no seat in there too. Your ass gets sore.
Yeah. He's been bleeding brakes all day. Boy, is his ass tired.
Yeah. My ass is tired.
All right. So we got good to go. And Will Wood sent us those other spacers, and we can actually move our rear. Wick's gonna paint something.
You go paint the bottom tag.
Nice. Don't let the wind blow it away.
Yeah.
Brakes are styling, boys and girls.